The HOSPAN, the Ovitus, or H&B Luxuries? Perhaps the Homedics or the ACEVIVI? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 foot spas available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best foot spas. The 5th product on this list is the H&B Luxuries Foot Bath Massager. If you're a fan of indulging in relaxing baths or treating yourself to regular foot soaks, then look no further. This massager is perfect for rejuvenating tired feet, offering adjustable water temperature ranging from 95 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit, a flexible setting time from 10 to 60 minutes, and powerful motorized rollers that apply targeted pressure to your feet. Versatile and adaptable, this spa can be used in a bathtub or pool, as it comes with an electric shower for convenient water delivery. With an easy-to-use control panel, you can effortlessly adjust the time and temperature to ensure you achieve the perfect relaxation experience. The set also includes a mesh basket that adds foot pressure and enhances circulation. One standout feature is the LED display, which provides clear information on time, water temperature, and other cycle details, making it an excellent choice for both home and office use. Equipped with a built-in 500-watt motor, this massager delivers an exceptional massage experience, yielding professional-level results. No matter your health goals, this foot bath is a fantastic tool to help you achieve them. Its pros are: the wheels make it easy to move around, especially when it's filled with water. It has a timer that allows you to have massage treatments up to 60 minutes long, and it comes with an LED display for temperature and control timer settings. However, it can be a bit hard to clean, and it takes up quite a bit of space for storage. The H&B Luxuries Foot Bath Massager is a great foot spa, pedicure, and Shiatsu foot massager with temperature control and motorized rollers for stress relief. Up next in 4th place is the ACEVIVI Auto Foot Bath. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own one of the top foot spas and say goodbye to aches and soreness. This compact foot spa is packed with features including motorized 360-degree Tai Chi wheel massage balls and AccuNote studded corn rollers, providing an automatic, deep kneading massage experience. Not only that, but it also offers heat, bubbles, and jets for the ultimate relaxation session. With its fast heating and temperature maintenance system, the water temperature of this foot spa stays between 77 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for relieving pain caused by arthritis and other conditions. You can enjoy soothing warmth that's ideal for deep heat acupuncture or reflexology treatments. Thanks to the 6 adjustable jets, your feet will be pampered with revitalizing water streams that help alleviate pain, boost circulation, and eliminate dead skin. All in all, this foot spa is perfect for soothing tired feet and unwinding after a long day at work, all within the comfort of your own home. Its pros are: it combines Shiatsu heating therapy and oxygen bubbles to help improve your metabolism and circulation. It provides an auto-rotating pedicure stone and infrared disinfector, and it has a handle and bottom wheel installation for easy mobility. However, its temperature control can be difficult to manage. The ACEVIVI Auto Foot Bath is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the ultimate foot spa experience and improve blood circulation in the process. Still haven't found a foot spa that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Homedics Shiatsu Bliss. Are your feet tired, aching, and in desperate need of some soothing massage therapy? Look no further. This massager is specifically designed to alleviate the discomfort and fatigue that comes with overworked feet. With its built-in splash guard, you can enjoy a relaxing foot bath without worrying about creating a mess. The integrated toe touch controls make it easy to operate, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The Heat Boost technology is a game changer, rapidly warming the water and maintaining a consistent temperature to provide you with maximum comfort. It's the perfect solution for relieving tension and soothing those exhausted muscles. Equipped with 7 kneading modes that rotate in both directions from the arch of your foot to your heel, this massager delivers a deep, invigorating massage. The massaging bubbles further enhance the experience by reducing swelling, promoting better circulation, and alleviating aches and pains. This machine is designed to give your feet and calves a relaxing vibration massage, relieving stress, improving circulation, and easing soreness. For an extra touch of soothing comfort, apply your favorite lotion and let your feet soak while enjoying your favorite TV show. Treat yourself to the luxury and rejuvenation you deserve with this incredible foot massager. Its pros are its motorized pressure node rollers provide a soothing massage without any manual effort. It can function as a foot massager without water, and its splash guard design helps keep your room dry while you're enjoying the spa experience. However, it may not be comfortable for everyone with only one temperature setting of 109 degrees. The Homedics Shiatsu Bliss is your secret weapon to healthier feet with deep, kneading Shiatsu massage that soothes and comforts tired, aching feet. The second product on this list is the HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa. Are you a fan of regular pedicures? Imagine indulging in pure relaxation within the serene ambience of a spa where you're treated like royalty from the moment you sit down. This exquisite foot spa is equipped with 6 groups of 3D Tai Chi massage balls, invigorating bubbles, and intelligent temperature control, with temperature settings ranging from a soothing 95 to a blissful 118 degrees Fahrenheit. This foot spa ensures optimal comfort and rejuvenation. Crafted with the utmost precision using high-quality materials and imported accessories, this foot spa guarantees exceptional durability. The bubble massage feature not only promotes better blood circulation, but also effectively removes dead skin cells and dirt from your pores, leaving your feet feeling refreshed and revitalized. Designed with your comfort in mind, this electric foot spa boasts an ergonomic construction that allows you to unwind with stress-relieving massages while you immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of your favorite music through the built-in speakers. The powerful combination of motorized and handheld massagers deliver a heavenly blend of kneading and lymph drainage to your tired feet and calves. Additionally, its convenient foldable design requires no tools and stands a mere 5.5 inches tall, making it effortlessly portable. Take a moment to relax and pamper your aching feet after a long day of work or walking. It's time to give your feet the royal treatment they deserve. Its pros are: it has adjustable heat temperatures ranging up to 118 degrees. It comes with a magnetic remote control and built-in timer that range from 10 to 60 minutes. And it has 6 areas of 3D Tai Chi massage balls to massage the acupuncture points on the feet. However, its bubble function output is pretty weak. The HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa is perfect for relieving stress after a long day at work or home and relieving muscle fatigue and aches caused by intensive exercise or hard labor, such as gardening. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top foot spa is the Ovitus Foot Bath Massager. Get ready to give your feet the ultimate treat. Indulge in the luxurious care that they deserve with this incredible foot spa massager. Featuring 16 motorized Shiatsu roller massages designed specifically for your pedicure needs, this foot spa offers a range of impressive features to elevate your relaxation experience. With options for frequency conversion, invigorating oxygen bubbles, adjustable time and temperature settings, an LED display for easy monitoring, and even an additional compartment for storing essential accessories like exfoliants and moisturizers, this foot spa bath massager is a true game changer. Prepare to be amazed as this foot spa bath massager simultaneously relaxes your tired feet and boosts your energy levels. Bid farewell to fatigue and embrace a revitalized feeling feeling that will keep you going strong. It's a comprehensive foot spa machine that combines the soothing power of heat with the invigorating touch of a dual massage functionality. Let the adjustable temperature and time settings cater to your personal preferences, allowing you to enjoy the ultimate relaxation at your own pace. While this foot spa is designed to target your feet and ankles, it also works wonders on the backs of your lower legs and calves. It's versatile, user-friendly, and comes with a range of attachments to suit your specific needs. Experience the incredible benefits of stress relief, improved circulation, and relief from aches and pains. If your feet are tired, overworked, and in need of some serious TLC, look no further. This foot spa massager is here to rejuvenate and pamper your feet like never before. Its pros are: it has a built-in LED display that shows temperature and time. It comes with 16 fully motorized rollers automatically massaging your feet. It has an extra compartment for storing all of your spa accessories such as your favorite lotions or salts, and the timer allows you to decide how long you want to reap the benefits of this massager and then sit back and enjoy. However, it's fairly cumbersome to try and store. The Ovitus foot bath massager is a brilliantly designed unit and a fantastic way to relieve stress and tension in your feet. It increases blood circulation and stimulates body metabolism, improving health and relieving fatigue. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.